Samsung just dropped a game-changing update for the Galaxy S23 series, and it's not just another software patch. This is One UI 8.0, powered by Android 16, bringing a wave of innovation, smarter design, and deeper personalization. If you own a Galaxy S23, your phone's about to feel brand new again. The stable One UI 8.0 update is now rolling out in South Korea, with other regions set to follow soon. For beta users, it's a quick 450 megabyte download, but for everyone else, expect around 3 gigabytes of new goodness. Firmware version S91XN KSU6EY7 marks the start of this rollout. If you're in Korea, you can check right now by heading to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. Once installed, tap Install Now, let your phone reboot, and welcome to the new One UI 8 experience. The global release should arrive over the next few days, so stay tuned if you're outside Korea. So, what's actually new in One UI 8? This isn't just about polish, it's about productivity, security, and creativity. Let's break down the best new features you'll see once the update lands. First, enhanced security. Samsung's Secure folder is now tougher than ever, keeping your data locked behind upgraded Android 16 protection. Next, Samsung DeX gets a full redesign, powered by Android 16's desktop mode, turning your phone into a more capable workstation than ever before. The Samsung Internet browser has been completely revamped, offering a cleaner layout and faster browsing. And QuickShare? It's smarter, faster, and far more intuitive. Sharing files between your Galaxy devices now feels seamless. The everyday apps you rely on, like alarms, calendar, and reminders, have all been upgraded with new management tools and cleaner layouts. Modes and routines get fresh triggers and actions, letting you automate more than ever before. And the camera app now includes a subtle new gesture for accessing quick controls, ideal for creators and on-the-go photographers. You'll also notice smoother Bluetooth Auracast audio support, great for sharing sound with multiple devices, and a stunning weather app redesign, complete with high-quality visuals and animations that make checking the forecast surprisingly enjoyable. Everything in One UI 8 feels faster, cleaner, and more connected, like your phone finally caught up with the future. With the Galaxy S23 series now joining the Android 16 era, Samsung continues to prove why it leads in software innovation. If you've received the update, drop a comment and let us know your favorite new feature. Don't forget to subscribe for more Galaxy updates and deep dives into One UI 8. Your next big upgrade has just begun.